Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing 3-5 core points to anchor the talk. These become your spine. Once done, condense each point to 1-2 lines and highlight one keyword so your eyes catch it instantly. Make sure to pick a delivery method, index cards for mobility, speaker notes on slides for discrete prompts, or a tablet for quick edits. This first actionable setup gets you speaking immediately, prevents rambling, and keeps transitions fluid. Now you move into the middle. Use your notes as triggers, not scripts. Read only the highlighted word or statistic, then expand naturally. That keeps eye contact and energy. Once you've memorized triggers, learn to glance. A quick look gives structure, then speak from memory. Make sure to number cards and mark slide cues to avoid fumbling. Practice 3 times with full timing. That builds rhythm and tells you where to trim or add detail. Finish strong by using your notes to execute a concise summary and a clear call to action. Read the cue, then deliver it without new information. If you lose your place, pause, breathe, and scan the next card. A calm reset keeps audience trust. Make sure to carry a backup copy on your phone or a spare card. This final approach closes smoothly and gives you a simple troubleshooting move if nerves or tech issues interrupt the flow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.